Hey guys, this is Nelson from Federal Brace. Today we're introducing a magnetic ADA Modesty panel kit, one of the simplest products that we've designed, developed, and introduced to date. Time and money in the field, ease of maintenance, accessibility is what led us to develop this new product. For installation, you've got two parts. You're going to use a magnet for the Modesty panel. It's going to be a piece of cake to go in a production environment. Also on the back end, whether you're maintaining plumbing or just needing access to whatever's behind this panel, this is the system that's going to work the best. We've designed this product for commercial mill workers, cabinet shops, facility managers, where accessibility is key, as well as installation. We keep things simple with the magnet system and the L bracket. Components here are pretty simple. We've got the L bracket that attaches to the inside wall of the cabinet, two of those, two magnets which will mount to the skirt or Modesty panel that will align and then attract to the bracket itself. We've got the screws for the magnets, the screws for the brackets, everything in a small kit ready to go. This system also meets ADA compliance 306.3 for accessibility both in and up based on where the Modesty panel and the brackets are mounted inside the cabinetry. We're the industry leader in bracket and support solutions. We're excited for this latest innovation that'll help save you time and money in the field. Like all of our metal systems, this is 100% made in North Carolina. We're going to ship it same or next day from receiving your order. If you have any questions, call us. We answer the phone.